Hi everyone, my name is G Pranit. I am from CSG section. My topic is Insight into Privacy Protection Research in AI. Introduction. The advancement of artificial intelligence has raised a serious concern about data privacy and ethical implication. This presentation explores key research areas and technology designed to protect privacy in AI system. The rapid progression of artificial intelligence technology has enabled revolutionized countless aspects of our lives, offer unpredictable efficiency and predictable capabilities, from personalized recommendation to sophisticated medical diagnostics. AI potential is vast. However, the transformative power is intrinsically linked to the collection, processing, and analyzing of vast quantities of data, much of which is highly personal. This data intensive nature of AI system have inevitable given risk to significant concern regarding data privacy and ethical implication of how this informally is handled and utilized. The core challenge lies in strictly delicate balance. How can we continue to leverage AI benefits while simultaneously ensuring the robust protection of individual privacy? This presentation serves as an in-depth exploration into the key research areas of groundbreaking technology, specially designing to address the critical challenges. We will examine methodology, the aim to event AI and privacy paradigm. As AI systems become more pervasive, they allocate analysis and store vast amount of personal data. This shift requires new approaches to protect user privacy while maintaining the efficiency of intelligent algorithm. As artificial intelligence system become increasingly integrated into our day life, the ability to collect, analysis, and store vast amount of personal data has fundamentally reshaped the privacy landscape. The pervasive data handling necessitates a fundamental rethinking of how privacy is conceptualized and protected. The goal is ensure that as AI systems become more powerful and ubiquitous, they also become more respectful of individual. The new paradigm emphasizes proactive measures and a continuous evaluation of through AI life cycle. Types of privacy risk in AI. AI technology introduces privacy risks such as re-identification, profiling, unauthorized data sharing, and model inversion. This risk highlights the need to rigorous protective measures, the sophisticated capability of artificial intelligence, while beneficially also introduce a new spectrum where similarly anomalized data. This shared the third parties beyond the scope of initial constant. Finally, model inversion attack represent a more advanced threats where advisors of reconstructed sensitivity deploy AI model. This complex risk underscored the necessity for not just robust technical safeguard arm and ensure a AI development adhere to highest standard of privacy protection. Different privacy. Differential privacy adds statistical noise to data outputs, make it difficulty to trace information back to individual in enable data analytics without compromising user privacy and is widely used in differential privacy, in shortcut DP, is a robust mathematical rigorous framework designed to meaningful aggregative analysis. This noise is sufficient to observe the presence or absence of single individual data point, even if an attacker has access to all other data points in the dataset and all other outputs. This strong guarantee is crucial for sensitivity application as it provides a quantifiable measures of privacy protection. Its strong theoretical guarantee and practical implementation have made its cohesive of privacy preserving AI research. The major technology companies and environmental agencies actively deploying real-world systems to balance the privacy AI search. Homomorphic encryption. Homomorphic encryption allows computation to be performed on encrypted data. This means AI modules can process data without ever seeing the raw input, ensuring an end-to-end data confidentially homomorphic encryption. While the data remains the encrypted, the state through the entire composition process, the result of this computation are also encrypted, and only the owner of the decryption key can reveal the plain text result. While computational intensive ongoing research is significantly improving its efficient, making it increasingly viable for real world AI applications. These are the different levels of homomorphic impression, ragging and partial homomorphic, supporting a limited number of operations to fully homomorphic, supporting at arbitrary computations. Privacy by design. Privacy by design is a development framework that integrates privacy into system architecture from the outset. This proactive approaches ensures the privacy consideration and central to AI design and deployment. Coined by IAN, the former Information Privacy Commissioner or OTIRO, PBD is built upon seven foundational principles: visibility and transparency and respect for your user privacy. In this context of AI, privacy by design means the privacy considerations are not just regular checkboxes, but is central to every strategy of AI system lifecycle. It moves beyond more comprehensive to forecasting a culture when privacy is a core value, enabling the development of AI solutions that are trustworthy and sustainable in a privacy concession world. AI ethics and privacy. Privacy is a fundamental part of AI ethics. AI ethical framework demand that AI respect user autonomy and rights, including their right to control how their data is collected and used. This means that AI system must be designed operation in a manner that ensures transparency about data collection and usage, provides information beyond legal complaints. Ethical AI demand of proactive commits minimizing the data collection. Therefore, embedding ethical consideration with privacy of their core into the entire AI lifecycle, from research and design to deploy and governance, is a paramount of building AI system that not technologically advanced. Natural Language Processing Privacy NLP. NLP is a chatbot voice assistant processing sensitivity data such as messages and speech. This often means handling high sensitivity and personal data, including private messages, voice recording, search queries, and even subtle notes of emotions or intent embedded in speech. Beyond encryption, ethical data anomalies are where possible and limiting human access to the NLP models. Developer must be actually aware of potential biases in training data that could lead to discriminatory or unfair outcomes and ensure the privacy protection does not enable these issues. Privacy preserving AI in healthcare. AI in healthcare relies on sensitivity patient data. Federated learning and encryption enables collaborative medical research and diagnostic without exposing patient record. The application of artificial intelligence in healthcare holds immense promise. From accelerating drug discovery of enhanced diagnostic accuracy and personalized treatment plans, AI technique becomes indispensable. This enables the development of robust models based on diverse patient population algorithm for unlocking diagnostics and developing personalized medicine, all while legalizing the safeguard of privacy of individual patients. Legal frameworks. Regulation like GDPR and CGPA defines the strict rules for personal data uses. GDPR means General Data Protection Regulation. CCPA means California Consumer Privacy Act. Critically, they grant individual enhanced rights to object the automated decision making for AI developers, ensuring compliance with the regulation parameter which necessity incorporative principles of transparency. Therefore, legal frameworks serve as essential guidelines pursuing AI development towards more ethical, privacy respecting and accountable practices. Proceed hand in hand with robust individual protection. Open source tools and frameworks. Frameworks like TensorFlow Privacy and PyShift provide developers with the tools to build privacy preserving AI model. These open source resources accelerate innovation and adoption ethical AI. These resources are democratizing access to complex privacy enhancing technologies and empowering a wider community of developers, researchers and organizations to build more ethical and privacy aware AI models. By making this sophisticated technique accessible and easier to integrate, open source initiatives and accelerating innovations of fostering widespread adoption of responsible AI practice. Case study. First one, Google Chrome. Google implements differential privacy in Chrome to collect user statistics without compromising individual privacy. It shows how large scale system can be balanced can effectively balance the need of data analytics, which is imperative of user privacy protection. As one of the most popular web browser globally, Chrome collects various usage statistics to understand user behavior. Might involve gathering raw users data, which carries significant privacy risks. Second one is Apple Federated Learning. Apple employ federated iOS's enhanced Siri and predictive text feature without uploading personal data. With a strong emphasis as a user privacy, Apple has leveraged federated learning in enhanced core functionality like Siri and predictive text. Privacy metrics and evaluation. To measure privacy AI research metrics like absolution or modular leakage score, the benchmarks helps us compare technique effectively in scientific percent of preserving. The necessity the uses of robust privacy metrics are evaluation framework. This benchmark allows the research technique access the trade-off between privacy and utilities. Privacy and preserving recommender system. Recommender system are usually behavior to suggest content by applying privacy preserving techniques and suggest content, products or services. They are most likely to relevant engaging individual users based on past behavior preference and interaction. While highly effective enhancing user experience driving engagement, this system inherently of amount of privacy concern. Conclusion. Privacy protection is essential for ethical deployment of AI. With a combination of technology, law, and design principle, it is possible to build AI system that are both intelligent and privacy aware. Thank you all.